What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $10 for 1 minute simple task with your phone. Best of all, it is worldwide, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. And hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I'm going to show you actually an app that you can download and make up to $10 for 1 minute simple task. Now, before we dive into this app, keep in mind that you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below. But we'll save that for later because for now we want to have a look at this app that we can get started with and make up to $10 for 1 minute simple task. Let's get started. Okay, so if we are at desktop, we want to go to a site called Streetbeastcom. Streetbeast.com. And this is how it looks when you arrive at the site. Pretty nice video background here. Real people, real lives in real time. Market research meets technology. You can see here that they do have a large base of customers. They have big companies actually, Vodafone, L'Oreal, Pepsi, BBC, Bloomberg, so definitely one of the largest companies around the globe. And how this works is that Streetbeast, they connect you with real people on the ground to gather real-time insights. Ask the right questions, tell us what you need to know from anywhere in the world. So basically they want to have some feedback on the products, on stuff like that. And what we are interested in, I'm just going to show you a little quick here. We are interested in go to the top here and become a bee. Okay, so share your stories and have fun. Greta, 28, she went to her first Holly festival. She did a video and she got paid. Sarah, I'm sorry, 22, went to her Holly festival. And how it works is really simple. Pick one of the tasks, you answer questions and you get paid in cash. Now, there is a few variations on this. And what you get the highest payout is actually by taking a video. So when you take a 1 minute video while you make a tea, you can actually get paid up to $10 for that, okay? You say what you think of your mobile network, you take a photo. This is just another example. Usually for photos they pay out around $5. You can see here, making coffee in the home, £5 is around between $6 and $7, I think, if I'm right now. So of course it is the video that will pay you more. You can see here, making coffee in your home. Take a photo of that and you can make $5. Really simple task. Now, it is available on both Google Play and App Store. So if we just have a look, quick look here at Google Play. Streetbeast is transforming the way traditional market research is completed. Our community currently spans over 87 countries, so it is worldwide, with users sharing everything from hobbies and meals to products and technology they use. Now, the platform is built to let you freely express your real opinions, all done through an easy-to-use chat-style interface. You download the app, you create an account, and you become a bee. Take a look at the stories available to you. If there are none, don't panic. So as we get to know you better, we'll send suitable ones as soon as they launch. So keep in mind, there is not all the time tasks for you to do here, okay? And if we just have a look at it, if I scroll down a little bit, we can have a look at the FAQ. So you can actually make money by referring people also to this one, okay? Referrals vary by country and task, so it all depends on where you're located. Is this for real? Yes, you will get paid for sharing your opinion with us or completing small tasks. this sound perfect? Shall I retire now? Probably not. And that is what I mentioned in the beginning. You want to get rich with this kind of opportunity. Can anyone become a bee? Yes, anyone can become a bee who is over 18 and has an internet connection. And you can of course use it outside of your home country. Now here are some more, actually the FAQ questions. I can't get started and so on, so you can have a look at those at your own pace. Getting paid, it all depends, as you could see earlier here, by country and tasks, and typically reflect the complexity of the task. So the more complex, the more you get paid. As I said, video is the highest payout there. You get paid pretty quick, within 48 hours of a task being approved, and also very nice that you get paid via PayPal, so it goes really fast there. If you don't have a PayPal account, I don't know, but no, you should definitely have one anyway. So that's it about the FAQ here. Streetbeast. So all you have to do is actually, if you are on the iPhone or if you're on Android device, all you have to do is actually go ahead, type Streetbeast and download this app. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out the link in my description below here. Alright, if you got some value out of this video today, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels that you will see here at the end screen soon. I highly suggest you to do that because they are both related to make money online and work from home opportunities. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload new video. And you also find another video recommendation on how to make money online. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.